For a plastics company located in central Ontario, our influences are felt globally. Hungary, India, China, New Zealand, Mexico, you get the picture. Baytech Plastics is the happening place to be. You can find us on the beautiful shores of Georgian Bay, Midland, Ontario. A 90-minute drive north of Toronto and you will be where the action is in plastic manufacturing. Baytech, a privately owned company, has been in business over 70 years, offering close to 250,000 square feet of manufacturing space amid our two plants. In addition, Baytech Plastics makes use of 50,000 square feet of leased warehousing space and employs a workforce of approximately 250 individuals from surrounding communities. Diversity is our middle name when it comes to serving markets in water filtration, entertainment, business machines, automotive, and more. If it's made of plastic, talk to us. We can make it. Along with our molding capabilities through our 40-ton to 2,650-ton machines, Baytech offers painting, decorating, and assembly services. Our engineering and project management design, in-house maintenance, and toolroom support are all part of the package here at Baytech. Support of continuous learning, advancements and investments in areas of automation and technology remain a strong focus at Baytech to ensure innovative solutions for our customers. As a contract manufacturer, we are a one-stop shopping partner. Give one of our sales representatives a call today. They will be happy to answer your questions and direct you to a member of our knowledgeable staff. Baytech Plastics, a name that makes a difference in manufacturing. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to see when we post new videos and see the links to connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.